Welcome to Apna tutorial. This is Akhand Singh and this is my new video lecture. In this video lecture, I will discuss the deleted portion of CBSE of 2020 and 2021 syllabus. The CBSE has decided to reduce 30% of syllabus of your annual board examination 2021. Now here we have to discuss, so let's start. So the first unit, number system. In the number system, chapter is real number and topic removed by CBSE is Euclid division lamina or Euclid division lemma. And if you look at in the NCERT, then exercise 1.1 will be reduced or left. So you not need to do the question of this exercise. And the next one is unit second, that is algebra, and the chapter name is polynomial. And the topic removed by the CBSE is statement and simple problem on division algorithm by polynomial with real coefficient. And if you look at the exercise in the NCERT, so the exercise 2.3 will be reduced. Exercise 2.3 of NCERT you not need to solve. And the next one is in the algebra, pair of linear equation in two variables. And the topic removed, cross multiplication method. So there are some students are fear about this topic. So those students are feeling well because of removing this topic from the syllabus. And if you think the exercise of NCERT, the exercise 3.5 will be, so you not need to solve this exercise. And the next one is chapter quadratic equation, and topic removed is situational problem based on equation reducible to quadratic equation. So those students have not able to solve a word problem and not able to convert the word problem into the numerical problem. So that type of student are those students feel happy because it will be removed from your syllabus. So if you look at the exercise, then word problem type of exercise will be left. And the next chapter, arithmetic progression, that is in the arithmetic progression, topic removed, application in solving daily life problem based on sum of nth term. And if you look at the exercise of NCERT, some part of exercise 5.3, and if you look at micro level, then the question number 15 to question number 20 will not need to solve because it's removed from your syllabus. And the next unit is coordinate geometry. In the coordinate geometry, the topic area of a triangle will be removed. And if you look at the exercise of NCERT, the exercise 7.3 will be of CERT. So dear student, take your NCERT book and mark all the exercise which will be removed from your syllabus. That's why you are able to solve which will be available for your exam. So the next one, Geometry. In the geometry, the chapter is triangle, and topic removed by the CBSE is proof of the following theorem. The first one is the ratio of the area of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of square of their corresponding sides. So we can say in simple manner area of a similar triangle. And if you look at the NCERT book, then theorem 6.6 will be removed from your syllabus. So mark it. Take your NCERT book and mark all these discussion which I discuss in my video. And the next one is in triangle, if the square of one side is equal to the sum of square on the other two sides, the angle opposite to the first side is right angle. In simple manner, we can say converse of Pythagoras theorem. If we look at NCERT, then it will be theorem number 6.9. So it will be removed from your. And next chapter is circle. So there is no deletion, it will come as previous will come. So the whole syllabus of circle will come. So the next chapter is construction. In the construction, topic removed is construction of triangle similar to a given triangle. So if we look at the NCERT, then construction number 11.2 will be removed, and if you think about exercise, then some part of exercise 11.1 will. So you not need to solve the exercise number 11.1. The next one is very important topic, trigonometry. In the trigonometry, there are three chapters: introduction to trigonometry, trigonometric identities, height and distance. So let's first introduction to trigonometry. The topic removed is motivate the ratio whichever the defined 0 degree to 90 degree. And if you look at the NCERT, then exercise of 8.2, the sum part of exercise 8.2 will be removed from your system. So the next is trigonometric identity. In the trigonometric identities, topic removed is trigonometric ratio of complementary. And if you look at NCERT, then exercise number 8.3 will be removed, and some part of exercise 8.4 is reduced. And next one is height and distance. So there is no deletion, it will come whole syllabus of height and distance. Now the next one is mensuration. In the mensuration, there are two chapters: area related to circle and surface area and volume. So in area related to circles, topic removed is problem on central angle of 20 degree. So that type problem, the center angle 20 degree will be removed. And if you look at NCERT, then exercise of 12.2, some part of exercise 12.2 of NCERT will. So you do not need to solve some part of exercise 12.2 and central angle of 120 degree problem. The next chapter is surface area and volume. So the topic removed, frustum of a cone. So those students who feel fear about the frustum of the cone become easier for that, and If you look at the NCERT, then exercise number 13.4 will be removed. So you not need to solve exercise 13.4. And the next one is statistics and probability. In statistics, the topic removed is step deviation method for finding the mean, and the next one is cumulative frequency graph. So the exercise number 14.4, 14.3, some part of exercise 14.3 and the whole part of exercise 14.4 will be removed from your syllabus. So be careful about these topics which are removed by the CBSE to revise your syllabus up to 30% reduction due to COVID reason. And in the probability, there is no deletion. It means the probability will come whole syllabus. So student, I hope you understand all about reduction of your 30% syllabus. So be careful, watch this video carefully and take a NCERT book, mark each and every exercise which are left from your syllabus, and this reduction of syllabus and revised syllabus. Those students who are preparing only for board exam, take a NCERT book and mark each and every exercise and syllabus which I discuss in this video. And those students who are preparing for some competitive exam and some future competitive exam, those students don't skip any topic, study carefully each and every topic. That's why they are able to reach up to that exam level in our future. So thank you. I hope you are doing very well. Thank you for watching this.